System tech is one of the really few jobs I've had that actually pays me well, and I like coming into work.
System tech wants to make sure that we have fun as a company as well as work hard as a company.
This job definitely can turn into a career if you want it to.
That would not happen if System Tech was not a growing company inside of a growing industry. We have fun together. You can work hard and enjoy your day.
It can be a physically demanding job at times, usually always on your feet. Most of the time you are using ladders, carrying ladders around, terminating cables, pulling cables.
Got Cat 6, Cat 6A, Cat 5E.
And then all the way up to like fiber optic cables, a lot of access control with cameras. We pull cables for the cameras, set them up.
They need that technology in order to do what they do.
The thing I like about working with System Tech is every week is different. You know, you have a different job site.
You'll work in schools, government buildings, manufacturing warehouses, commercial buildings.
Any other job I've gone into, I've started much less than I started at this job, coming in with no experience.
Based on experience, $10 to $15 an hour. And that's just starting out. If you decide to make it a career, it'll only go up from there.
Every job will pay you. I mean, they have to pay you, but not every job is going to teach you.
I like that most training is just done on the job.
I ended up realizing I can do a lot more than I thought I could. It makes you feel very independent.
I generally learn something new every single day, no matter if I'm doing the same thing.
It's really a hands-on learning experience when it comes to training. You know, it just takes time.
And as long as you're a hard worker and ready to dedicate to your work, then I think anybody can do it.
Having the skills makes me marketable as a person, as an employee.
Which makes you more confident in completing a task if you're asked to do it.
That's like their way of investing in you.
They have classes we do all together that give us certifications.
It's a good deal, man. I mean, you might have to buy some side tools and you're good to go. They want ambitious people.
Not only just construction, you know, it's also in the tech industry, and technology's not going away, obviously. It's only getting bigger.
As the company grows, I mean, that just opens up a world of opportunity for you. I mean, with their desire and their ambition to grow, coupled with yours, you're gonna go somewhere.
Every once in a while, System Tech offers you opportunities to go out of town.
There are those people that are homebodies, they want to stay home, let me go. or come with, you know?
Switch up my environment, you know, where I'm working and who I'm working with.
It's just you generally don't get to travel because you have to pay for it, right? So when you're traveling with work, you're getting paid to go there. And every now and then you get to go to a cool place.
Utah, I've been to Las Vegas, I've been to
Eugene, Oregon was pretty cool.
Grangeville, Idaho, that one was pretty fun. Kind of middle of nowhere in the mountains.
We were able to be in New Mexico during the balloon festival. I mean, just you find cool things outside of town. Travel, sign me up.
And it's good to have people you work with that you can also enjoy outside of work.
Summer barbecues,
We've gone paintballing.
and we'll go do team lunches.
We have a softball team.
The Christmas parties are awesome.
Company Christmas parties are sweet.
The Christmas party, we usually go to like an arcade, and we have a big, nice dinner, and
You just laugh the whole time.
It's been a great experience working at System Tech.
System Tech is a great place to work.